Hey guys, how's it going today? 33 Electric here. Just wanted to show you guys what I was doing today, working at a local UPS center here, and was just working on some electrical stuff. Hadn't made a video in a while, so wanted to just shoot this one up. So yeah, we're working up here with some 8-foot lights. Let me show you here. I've already installed the new light, but these come with LED TA tubes, as you can see here. LED TA tubes, retrofit, 120 to 277 volt, and they're 4000K spectrum, so they're a little bit more of the whitish blue color. Give you a little bit more light. 50,000 hours. I actually have never used these before, and they don't use a ballast or anything like that, but it has these little, I guess, line voltage ballasts right here at the end of the lamps themselves, and that's how it powers them up. So we are kind of interested to see how these work. We'll about to get up here on this lift, go up here and get the rest of it installed here. I don't know if you can see that very good, but that's the new 8-foot light, and just get that wired up here and we'll be able to test them out and see how they look. Got my nice JLG lift here. Alright, we're gonna go up. There's the old LED. Look at this guy. Thing right there, probably like 25 years old. This thing weighs like 30 pounds. It's one ballast right here. So, old one, new ones here. Let's go up, guys. Let's go up here. Let's see what's going on up here. Here's the new light, and as I said, make sure I'm zoomed out all the way. See, no ballast in these. And on these, actually, because of the way they work, you only need the wiring on this one side of the ballast in the center. So the wires only connect from the center tombstones. You don't even need them at the ends of the 8-foot light. So I'm about to put this guy together here and get this turned on and see how they look. But I mean, really, these are some of my favorite kind of days because it's pretty easy work. Pretty easy. Just out here making a killing, guys. Here we go, guys. So yeah, this is just MC cable. You can see there. MC connector with wire coming on. MC cable. That side there is just a feed through. That's why they've got that in there, because it's feeding down to something else over there. And then that's the power side with the piece of MC cable coming in there. And that's got the power on it. Obviously turned off. Dead now, because we found the circuit earlier, turned it off. So that's how this one's set up. Some of these are different. Some of them have some conduit running in. So we'll have to mess around with that. There's my helper over there working on the other light. This had a junction box right there where he's working, and his is up underneath the beam, so just a little bit different of a way to mount it and everything like that. Mine has beam clamps on it right here, which I don't know if you can see that. Right there, kind of up over the top on that beam. Another one right there. Back out. See where you see that bolt screw right there with the washer? Got a beam clamp behind that. So that's just basically how these got mounted. Pretty easy. Multiple ways to mount these, just depends on how you're setting them up here, but I'm just basically just called for replacing like for like, how the lights already were. So that was basically how these were set up here. It was like for like. And that's how we're doing it. There we go, guys. LED 4-foot T8 lamps on 120 volt. Now these, as I showed earlier in the video, well, it showed on the light themselves, the packaging, but these lamps will run up to 277 volts. So, which actually I didn't originally think about that, but there's the drivers in them right here in the end. Actually, it's the center end. There's actually a sticker right here, and that's how you know that it needs to go to the center end, because this is where the wiring connected to the 120 volts. These four tombstones right here. So there actually is no wiring connection back here at all. It just connects right here at this end. But yeah, they operate on 277 volt as well, which I'm glad to know that, because I actually did not really estimate that in. I totally forgot to even think about the voltage of what these could be. So I was really happy when I saw that it could be 277 volt, because as we were going over there to try to turn the lights off, I just began thinking about it. Man, I hope these aren't 277 volt, just in case these lights aren't compatible. All good though. There we go from the ground. Pretty good light on those, 400K spectrum. And there's the one my helper installed. Got it first try. Good job. Good job, Donnie. I didn't see her.
She's a freaking smoking hot one.
What do you think, Donnie? Did a good job in there.
Buddy?
Did a good job on that light.
We like the commercial. She's easy.
Did you think that it was easy to install that light?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was definitely easier than residential, but.
Did you like the light?
What?
Did you think it was a good light? Like, worth buying again?
Pretty trustworthy. Yeah.
They cost about $85 a piece.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. First time I've ever tried those. But
nothing there for you.
First time we've ever used those lights. You know, still got 2 more to install. We'll see if make sure none of the lamps in them are bad or something or don't work. But overall, I like them so far. So, alright guys, we'll keep you updated. Not really much. One of the next videos I'd really like to make is just showing people how to troubleshoot on service calls. So I'm going to be making a video on that here really soon. Anyways guys, keep you updated here. Thanks for watching.